Hey everybody, Caleb O'Hara, the Red Shoe Realtor here, coming to you with this deal of the week in Turlock, California. Now this is an amazing 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. Let me give you a view of the outside here. As we get started, you can see a beautiful 2-story house, nice garage, lovely landscaping, beautiful, beautiful. Here we go. Nice little sitting area here in the front, so you can come out here and have your morning coffee. As we walk into the house, you'll notice you walk into the living room here. So you got the living room at the front door, and then to the left is our formal dining area. And as you come through the formal dining area, you'll see there's this nice little butler pantry here. Beautiful granite countertops. Coming to the kitchen, stainless steel appliances. Even guests say hi.
Hello.
That's my lovely wife, Valerie, also a real estate agent. Here we go into the family room. Nice, cozy family room. Come into here, you got a nice little tech center here. Then also the laundry room. So you got your washer and your dryer. Lots of storage in here, which is fantastic. Also a door out to the backyard from there. But of course, the obligatory men want to see what's the garage look like. So here's the garage. You can see nice 2-car garage that also goes back as a tandem 3. So this lovely area over here, you can use it as a gym, a workspace, or you can even park another car in there in tandem if you so choose. So we'll go back into the house, through the laundry room, come around the corner here. Let's take a look at the backyard before we go upstairs. All right, look at this beautiful, expansive backyard. Nice cover here. Newer HVAC system that the sellers have replaced. It's a beautiful cover here. Brick patio area all the way around. Low maintenance, but also very beautiful and lots of privacy. So you can see here, you got a lot of privacy here in the backyard, as well as this awesome little shed here that you can use for all kinds of stuff. And so let's go ahead and make our way back into the house, and we'll make our way upstairs to the 4 bedrooms. So we're gonna come through here. Closet downstairs, coat closet. Go up the stairs. Nice plush carpeting here as well. Great design to it. Now as we make a turn to the right, we'll come into the master bedroom. Very roomy and spacious, as you can see. Lots of room in here, lots of different ways that you could set it up. And then as we come into here, you got the master bathroom. Hello, everybody, hello, hello. And then of course, the toilet room, shower, jetted tub, 2 sinks, and then you also have closet here with 2 doors. Kind of, oh, where's my light switch at? Can't find my light switch, but hopefully you can see, got a nice closet system with the 2 doors into the closet. So we continue down the hall. We'll go to the other bedrooms. Nice wide hallways here. Here's the other bedroom. Very roomy, nice closet. And then over here we have the bathroom. 2 sinks, shower over tub, toilet there. Another nice little tech center here and over here. This is great if you've, got 2 kids doing homework and you need them to have their own space. You got 2 separate spaces here. Lots of cabinets overhead. Make a left here, a nice roomy. Look how large this is for not being a master bedroom. You've got large furniture in here and you still have plenty of room to walk around, and a triple wide, a 3-door closet there as well, which is fantastic to have. And then same thing over here. Look at this, nice roomy rooms, lots of natural light, big closet space. This is a fantastic home. It's our deal of the week. If you've got any questions about the house, you want to tour the house, you can drop me a message. You can call me or text me, 209-923-1550. Or if you're seeing this on one of my social media accounts, just drop me a personal message in my direct messages and I'll respond to you. Again, this is the deal of the week in Turlock, California. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. Fantastic home. Hit me up for the rest of the details.